G'day there, welcome back for another monthly update of the Daylesford Spa Country Railway. That's what we've been up to.
Our Workman Sleeper project is still progressing, albeit a bit slower than what we'd hoped. The timber frame in places was a little worse for wear than first thought. However, we've pushed through the time-consuming bit and moved on to insulating and installing the vapour barrier, which the Workman Sleepers never originally had. This will improve the comfort level by regulating the temperature while also helping protect the frame from any moisture. As you can see in the video, the timber door frames are also being replaced. We have increased the depth of the jamb to fit a conventional external door. Although an alteration, it will not be noticed from the outside and remain representing its original appearance. Track work has been progressing well with our Way and Works maintenance program for 2023 nearing completion. Works have focused on the Daylesford to Musk section with approximately 500 sleepers replaced and servicing of joints. It's interesting to note that the Daylesford Straight is now the only surviving example of a 60D broad gauge branch line, practically unchanged since it was constructed in 1880. As you can see, our track machines are still worth their weight in gold, especially our tamper. However, spiking and boxing in still requires that extra bit of manual effort. The Bellado station is nearing completion. Painting is currently underway with the anticipated completion date at the start of December.
Well, that's it for another month. Thanks for watching and tuning in. As you can see behind me here, the rail track is pretty well almost done, apart from a bit of sign writing and a few touch-ups. She's good to go. It's great to see it looking fresh again. But for now, I'll leave you to it, and I'll see you on the next one.